How to download and install Android apps on Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can download and install Android apps on your Windows 11, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So maybe you want to play Android games such as Free Fire, PUBG, or maybe you want to use Android apps on your PC. It is actually very simple to do that, and we're going to do this with the help of an Android emulator. There are different types of emulator out there, but the one I personally like is Bluestacks. So just go to bluestacks.com. I'll make sure to drop a direct link below as well, and then just click on the download button. You can download Bluestacks 10 version, or you can download the 5 version. I have the 10 version downloaded. So basically now once you've downloaded this, what we're going to do is you have to just install it. After installation, I'm going to just go ahead and launch the Bluestacks application, as you can see. So once you basically launch the Bluestacks, since this is just an Android emulator, you need to have signed into your Google account because your Android runs because of Google account. So you want to make sure to have your Google account, right? Then over here you will see this type of interface where you'll find the option called Google Play. So just select open Google Play in this case. Once you select the option called open Google Play, you can see Google Play will be successfully opened up in the background here. So I'm just going to go into full screen mode. So once the Google Play Store has opened up on the PC, now you can see I can simply go ahead and download any app such as Instagram or YouTube. And as you can see, I'm logged into my Google account from the top right hand side as well. And this is simply how you can download and use Android apps on Windows 11. We hope the video was really helpful. And if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.